Andrew Dubber. Right. We're here to open the sets for these Chicagos of Hypnotic Brass Ensemble. Yep. They're currently having a bit of a problem. There's a bit of a feedback problem. But as you can hear, it was totally incredible. And me and Andrew are DJing. Look at our faces.
Yeah, look at that.
Fantastic, man.
Very exciting.
And there you go. As soon as we got together, the feedback stopped. What's really wonderful is the guy walking around the stage, the English guy, whose back you were just looking at, is a guy I haven't seen for about 5 years, and he was UB40's sound man since he was a little lad. We took him on. He was Earl's cousin, Jerry Parchment. I love him dearly. We parted ways at some point, and he's off doing, as you can see, doing fantastic stuff with these guys. And this is a great little clip.
Watch them if you put them on the floor or in a bike cab, that's what's going to happen.
Jerry, come here, man. Just quick, just come here. Just show your face to all the viewers on UB television. And that's our Jerry Parchment, who I haven't seen for so long, and I love him dearly. How are you, Jez?
I'm good, man.
Great sound, man. What a great outstanding band. Go on, get on with your work. I'll leave you to it. I can't wait.